Man, are we in trouble? Man, are we in trouble? My career in porn. Yes, it's true. Briefly back in the 70s, I was a stunt dick. Later in life, I did the voiceovers for when they forgot their lines. Do the zombie zoom. Do me zoom zombie, do the zombie zoom, zoom zombie zoom, do me where the zombies never leave their room. So zoom zombie zoom. Excuse me, where do you keep your panic button? Do we hear what we see? Deaf and blind, sensing only frequency. We see in sound and hear in light. Validation. The other day, on my rubber-eaten cyber vanity mirror of Gridville, somebody sent me an anonymous message from the contact section. It was very brief and right to the point. It read, "Just who in hell do you think you are? Fuck you." And of course I responded immediately, writing, "Most days I think I'm an alcoholic jerk-off, but I have references." Sure, he's fascinating, but better catch his act between beer number 4 and beer number 7, because the curtain falls on his ass pretty fast after that. Sweet smell of success. And Burt Lancaster tilted his head on a sideways stiletto angle and narrowed his eyes from a menacing grin and hissed to Tony Curtis, "I shouldn't like to take a bite out of you, Sidney. You're a cookie full of arsenic." Exacerbate. You know, everywhere I seem to go, there seems to be some jerk-off using this word, trying to sound educated and articulate. And all I ever hear is that if irritate and exaggerate went to masturbate, you'd end up with exacerbate. My disturbing presence. Remember, phones don't kill drunks. Drunks kill phones. And friends, don't let drunks use phones. Nobody likes a Monday drunk. Call me. Film noir quote number 2. So what's she like? A dish. She's a 60-cent special, cheap, flashy, and strictly poison underneath the gravy. those clowns in Midtown. Police report reads that 2 white Caucasian males in costume aggressively attempting to entertain riders on the A train into Times Square by insisting they eat peanuts out of a bowl. Your gender shovel. The last man who knew how to do anything died yesterday, and he remains unburied. Seems nobody remembered what to do next, except her. Just ask the Romance Accident Reconstruction Team. Our best advice to you in this instance is when you lose the one person you regarded as the love of your life, make it look like an accident. First day of summer. Solstice, scimitar shaft. Slicing search torch. Gleaming longest burn. Briefest pinnacle of light declining seconds, and then a descent commences. The shadows start their encroaching erosion immediately. Beware. Learn the lesson from those who would build their world on your ashes.